Inside you lies something extraordinary, a universe more mysterious than the stars, and far more powerful than any machine ever built. The human brain. 86 billion neurons, trillions of connections, and a lifetime of memories, emotions, and possibilities contained within a 3-pound organ you can hold in your hands. It's small enough to fit in your hands, but complex enough to understand the universe. Today we're taking a calm, beautiful journey through the universe inside your head. A universe that shapes your thoughts, your identity, your dreams, and your entire experience of reality. Take a moment to notice your breathing, your awareness, your thoughts moving gently in the background. All of this is your brain at work. Your brain is soft, delicate, and protected deep within your skull. Yet it performs more calculations than the most advanced supercomputers on Earth. It controls your ability to think, to imagine, to learn, to feel emotions, to move your body, to recognize faces, and even to understand the meaning of these words. Every moment of your life, from your first memory to the one you're having right now, has been shaped by this extraordinary organ. Even while you sleep, your brain never stops working. It maintains your heartbeat, regulates your breathing, balances your hormones, and organizes your memories so you can wake up renewed. It is the quiet guardian that keeps your world alive. Your brain is made of billions of nerve cells called neurons. At the heart of your brain's power is this tiny, remarkable cell. Each neuron connects to thousands of others, sending tiny electrical sparks of information through endless networks of pathways. If you could count them all, there would be more connections in your brain than stars in the Milky Way. Every thought, every move, every emotion is a signal traveling between neurons. They communicate using electricity and chemicals called neurotransmitters. A neuron may look simple, a round cell body called soma, a long cable reaching outward called an axon, and branching arms called dendrites. But each one is a self-contained electrical universe. When a neuron fires, a spark of electricity shoots through it at more than 200 miles per hour. As the signal reaches the end, it transforms into chemistry. Molecules called neurotransmitters leap across a microscopic gap and attach to the next neuron, passing the message forward. This process happens trillions of times every second. Every thought you have, every emotion you feel, every movement you make, every memory you recall, all of these are created by this delicate dance between electricity and chemistry. If you could watch a single second of your brain in action, you would see a storm of sparks flashing more brightly and more quickly than any fireworks show ever created. Your brain doesn't just respond to the world, it creates the world you experience. When you touch something hot, signals from your hand race up your arm to your spinal cord and into your brain. Then your brain sends commands back to pull your hand away, all before you consciously register the danger. When you look at the sky, your eyes catch light, but it's your brain that turns that light into color, shape, depth, and meaning. When you listen to music, your ears receive vibrations, but it's your brain that transforms them into rhythm, melody, and emotion. When you feel joy, fear, love, or sadness, those emotions are not random. They are patterns formed by chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and adrenaline, interacting with memories, expectations, and beliefs. Your senses gather information, but your brain creates your experience. In a very real way, your brain doesn't just interpret your world, your brain is your world. To understand how your brain works, let's explore the 3 major regions, each with its own beautiful purpose. 1. The cerebrum, the thinker. The cerebrum is the wrinkled outer layer, what most people picture when they think of the brain. This is the largest part of your brain, with deep grooves and wrinkled folds that greatly increase its surface area. This is where higher thinking happens. Reasoning, planning, imagination, language, memories, emotions, and decision-making. When you solve a problem, daydream about the future, or reflect on the past, your cerebrum is gently and powerfully at work. The cerebrum is also divided into two hemispheres, the left and the right. The left hemisphere tends to handle logic, analysis, and language. The right hemisphere is more involved in creativity, intuition, and emotion. But the truth is, they work together beautifully, like two instruments playing the same song with different harmonies. 2. The cerebellum. The balancer tucked beneath the cerebrum is a smaller but incredibly important region called the cerebellum. The cerebellum fine-tunes your movements. It keeps you balanced when you walk, steady when you reach for something, and coordinated when you dance, run, or play. Think of it as the silent choreographer of every physical motion you make. Even when you don't think about your movements, the cerebellum is guiding you gracefully. 3. The brainstem, the life keeper. Deep at the base of your brain is the brainstem, the oldest and most essential part of your nervous system. This structure controls your heartbeat, your breathing, your blood pressure, your sleep cycles, and your basic survival instincts. It works all day, all night, without asking for your attention. While you dream, the brainstem is protecting your life with every breath you take. If you could see your brain in action, you would witness a galaxy, a glowing cosmos made of flashing signals and shimmering networks. Neurons spark like stars, connections shift like constellations, thoughts ripple like waves of light. Every new skill you practice, every memory you store, every emotion you feel lights up different pathways. Your brain is constantly changing, adapting, rewiring, strengthening, and reorganizing itself. This amazing ability is called neuroplasticity. It means you are not fixed. You are not stuck. You are always becoming something new. Your brain grows with you every single day. A system this extraordinary deserves care. Here are the 4 pillars that keep your brain healthy and strong. 1. Sleep, the brain's cleansing time. While you rest, your brain clears away toxins, repairs damaged cells, and organizes memories. Sleep is not just rest, it is healing, it is cleansing, it is renewal for your mind. 2. Learning, the path to growth. Every time you learn something new, whether it's a fact, a skill, or a creative idea, your brain forms new connections. Your inner universe expands with every moment of curiosity. 3. Exercise, fuel for the brain. Movement increases blood flow, oxygen, and nutrients to your brain. Exercise is not just good for your body, it is one of the most powerful ways to strengthen your mind. 4. Calm moments, peace for the mind. Prayer, breathing, reflection, stillness. These moments calm the nervous system, reduce stress, and create space for clarity and peace. A quiet mind is a healthy mind. Inside every heartbeat, every thought, every dream, your brain is shaping who you are and who you can become. It is the most extraordinary universe you will ever explore, and it lives inside you. This was The Brain Inside You. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe for more calm, clear, and beautiful explorations through the human body.